This is a 2007 Komatsu CK30 that we have for sale. It's an 84 horsepower machine. It has a 3,549 pound operating load. Has a 7,099 tipping load. Has joystick controls. It's a turbo machine, 2-speed machine. Has a decent set of tracks on it. Interior's pretty nice. See, nice joystick controls. Good set of tracks on it. Has a real nice undercarriage. Let's give you a walk around the machine. You can see all the machines that we have for sale at texasskidsteer.com. This one's in very good shape. Again, it's a 2007 Komatsu CK30-1. We're asking $22,900 for it, and it's a very good running machine. You can see all of our skid steer loaders for sale at texasskidsteer.com. Thank you, and y'all have a great day.